Welcome to Rader Family Farms, located in Normal, Illinois, where we have been welcoming the community and friends of the farm since 2007. Everyone has a different reason why they love Rader Family Farms. Some prefer picking the perfect pumpkin, while others stroll through our pumpkin blossom barn, which is home to our Harvest Brew coffee shop, or find just the perfect gift in our retail market. We have many delicious signature menu items, including our apple cider slushy drinks, pumpkin and apple bars, and mouth-watering kettle corn. No visit is complete until you try our famous homemade pumpkin donuts made fresh each day. That's just the start of what the farm has to offer to thousands of loyal guests of all ages who have made Rader Family Farms their go-to destination. There are 50 activities at the farm. The Rader family has come up with unique ways to reinvent common agriculture-related items and activities throughout the farm. At 10 acres, the corn maze is one of the largest in Illinois. Its elaborate design is created each year using GPS satellite technology to plant the seeds within inches of the design. The unique hands-on displays and activities at the farm offer something for all ages. Some are engaging, some educational, and others are simply a blast. Rader Family Farms has many great opportunities to help you fully experience our amazing and interactive farm. There are slides and rides, an impressive animal barn where visitors can get to know a little about farm animals, including donkeys, horses, goats, cows, chickens, and more. Over the years, we've learned that it isn't any one thing that keeps people snapping selfies and coming back. It's not just the pumpkin that was picked or the conquered corn maze, it's the memories. We welcome you to experience the joy of Rader Family Farms and come harvest some memories with us.